Hello, people. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hope everyone doing well. Hope everyone is doing well. Yeah, we are live. We are live. Volume is good. Oh yeah, volume is really good actually. All right, let's see what we got here. Okay, so first of all, we rejected this area up here. Oh wow, the market opened. Wow, the market gapped a lot last night, bro. Holy shit. That's a big gap here, man. Damn. Okay. Okay, I'm yet to feel this range here. So this might be tricky here today. NQ is not looking good. This is not looking pretty. But we're more or less looking for say 30. Okay. So we're more or less looking for cells beneath here. I think that's the zone I'm going to use here for. Yep, that's the zones I'm gonna use here. I'm actually gonna, yeah, that's the zone I'm gonna use here. And break up this zone here. It's going to 5 minutes. Yeah, 5 minute looks shit, man. God damn. Okay, so these are our zones here. I don't want to take it too soon. I think this a break of this support here would be ideal. Break of this support here would be ideal. I don't want to be too aggressive with it. I don't want to be too aggressive with it. Give it some time to do what you gotta do. All right. So buys here. Being mindful. We have this fucking gap here. So yep. Sells 43. 343. Sorry, 343 for sales and buys. We're looking at 416 for buys. Yeah. Thank you. Right. Next. Okay, let's see what YM got going on here now. Wow, hold on, wait, is that okay? That was all-time highs. Ooh, okay. So we're approaching some daily resistance here. I don't normally go on a daily, but we're approaching some daily resistance here. 4 hour resistance as well. We have a nice 4 hour high here. That's at 780, 780, 790. We can push up. Okay. Okay, let's see. Keep an eye on this price here. Wow, that's insane push on YM here. Um, yeah. If this candle closes like this, all we need is a wick down. We already had a support right here on YM. We already have the support. So what is this Evals? Yeah, I'm trading Evals, man. I have like five, so six Evals. I have four here and another two on Lucid. So I just trying to focus on evals. I have no more funded, so yeah. Okay, this is a nice level up here actually. 788. Actually a nice level. Okay, let's see how we're looking at here on the 15. Okay, we have this level here. All right. Yeah, I'm not gonna look at all this here, because these are just weeks. This is gonna have to be, this is a week fill that's happening, and then we have the next resistance up here. So let's see, it's far away though. Like above here, it's 78 points. It's not bad. I think we'll need a week down here. So is it real accounts? Bro, it's combines. It's trading combines. So I'll pass me evaluation and then I will get the funded account. These are one step accounts. So yeah, I would consider them real accounts to a degree. Cause it's not like if it's just like demo, random demo accounts. It's paid for combines. Alright, so yeah, break up the support here could come down, but I would rather I would rather this low down here. I'd rather break up this low. I'd rather break up this low here. Huh? We have a 30. Yeah, that's a big range actually. That's 30 on a break of the week. A break of the week is about 30. Break of the week is about 30. So that's like 1 to 1 actually. So could work out. Could work out. Could work out on sales here. Um, Buys, however, would be on the current highs. Um, why can't I open a real account for myself? Um, you can. I mean, I can. I have opened multiple accounts. I've signed up over my years of trading. I've signed up to over maybe 15 accounts. Yeah, 15 brokers, I should say. I've signed up to a lot of brokers. So yeah. Yeah, I think we're just waiting for this candle to close here and a breakout the high for us to get our zone here to enter. For the most part, yeah. If we close above this zone, this daily range here as well, that would be perfect. Yeah, yeah, that would be it there. You even try think markets? Yeah, I've tried. Yeah, I've tried think markets. I've tried think markets. Man, I will say this on selecting let me just finish this thing here. So yeah, so buys would be on the current highs, right? Wherever we close for the most part, yeah, we're looking at again and a break of this high here, you could also get another entry, right? So be mindful of this, guys. So a break of this high here, it could be another entry, right? Just be mindful of that. Could possibly get another entry here. So we're looking at about a 200-point move here, roughly, potentially today, right? So look at that, we're moving up already. So yeah, the thing about brokers, right? Um, it's it's yeah, I lost like 200 bucks on this account here today. The thing about brokers is that it's all based on what you're looking for, your style of trading as well. Because personally, like I like brokers with a lot of leverage because of what I'm looking for in that broker, right? I'm trying to where is this shit? I'm trying to like might try to flip accounts with a specific broker, you know. So these are things that I tend to look for in brokers. Right? So everyone have their own little stuff. Maybe you might look for spreads based on your trading style. You might need good spreads. I, on the other hand, would not. So like everybody have their own stuff. The fees may not be enough for you. I maybe want to trade with a raw spread account. Um, Commissions might be too high for you. Might be good for me. Like you gotta weigh out all these things. You gotta weigh out all these things. But for the most part, the broker I tend to almost go to is IC markets. Like IC markets just been like I haven't had no issues with them, like depositing, withdrawing, no issues whatsoever. It's forex, and yeah, not too sure, not too sure how much forex trading I will be doing. Not too sure. IC markets. Was that? Yeah, well, that too. Yeah, IC markets is for non-US citizens, non-US citizens. IC markets. Yeah, I will be honest here. I may just stay out of NQ here altogether. Although it could be the winning trade, but like it looks so messy. Yeah, but I have a feeling NQ Y might just reject hard if it pushes here. If it want to reject, it may reject really hard because we're in a daily zone here. Once we break 788, we should continue to push unless you just want to sweep those highs and then come back down. But yeah, that's the immediate target for now. So let's see how much I could make on this account here today. I'm gonna put 10 US on a broker. Try a flip to. Yeah, man. Hey, I mean, I also do 20, 10, no 10. I also do 10 to 100, but it's forex. So it's easier to do it on forex because like trading currencies, your entry don't require much. Anyways, guys, let's see if we can lock it in here. Let's see if we can lock it in here. Mm, mm, mm. We need a week done, guys. We need a week done. I won't enter. I won't enter if I don't get a week done. I need a week done. I need a week done. If it runs up, fine. But let's lock it in. Okay, there is a week done. Oh wow. Holy shit. Okay, that's an insane week done. So see what I'm saying? That aggressiveness here, that's what we're at a daily zone. We at a daily zone. That's what I'm saying. On the flip here though, this shit should fly on the flip. We should fly on the flip. Wow. NQ. Yeah, NQ is gone. NQ is gone. That's NQ there. I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. It's all good. I'm not trying to be too impulsive here. Man, NQ closed without no wick and also didn't make a wick. That was a little too risky here. I'm gonna move my stop a little high, my entry a little higher here for a YM. It's a bit iffy here for a YM right now for me. Yep, and I'm okay having a no trade, huh? YM? Yeah, probably not, probably not. Yeah, it's at that daily resistance. That flip on NQ though would be insane. Oh, yeah. I'm willing to take this buys here on YM though. I'm willing to take this buys here on YM. So let's see what we got here. Okay, there we go. There we go on YM here. Man, I think my shit should have been 30 points is my 500 here. Should have been that should be 40 and 25 points. So if we break this level here, we should see a little continuation, a run up here. So let's see if we could get wow, this is moving really not nice here. I would like to move my stops here. I'm moving my stops to break even here on YM. Stops to break even on YM. Oh, okay. Got stopped out here. On yeah, got stopped out at break even here on YM. Yep. Let's see how this 5 minute candle closes. I mean, shit. NQ would be insane here for sales though. Break up this low here. I mean, we close below here. Shit. Take a trade on NQ here. I mean, it's moved. How much has it moved? It's moved like 75 points. Not much. Not much. But we need to wait for our closure here. Okay, so this was 𝗙ple👧. Was 𝗙ple👧. Yeah. It's a nice entry here for NQ, but I'll wait. Y may also give an entry too, so I'll wait. I'll be patient here with it. I'll be patient with it. See that? See that? Look at that. Look at that. And then YM is coming and give an entry here. Yep. So guys, we break up the highs here. I'm in on YM at least here. Alright, so this would have been a stopped out trade here. Okay, break up the highs. I'll be in. Actually have to be four, not actually have to be four, not three. Mm, 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 mm. All right, 27 point stop. Let's see if we get this here. Second attempt, guys. Second attempt. Second attempt. Ooh. Come on. Come on. Give us something. I'll even take a 1-to-1 here. Okay, there's NQ. Hmm. There's NQ falling, guys. Um, this is your entry here on NQ. Okay, 1-to-1 stops the break even here on YM. I'm not gonna be taking any stupid chances with it here today. Oh, Nas is beautifully falling, man. Nas is moving beautiful today. Nas is moving beautiful today. There we go. There we go. That's the volume we're looking for. That's the volume we're looking for. Okay, stops at 1 hour. I move stops to 1 hour here. Yep, that's what we're looking for. Yep, same here. Let's go. Yep, let's go. There we go, guys. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. Exactly 2 hour. Yeah, that's how we do it, guys. Yeah. All right. 700 away from this account, and the other accounts are 1,000 away. Yeah, so 2 hour trade. Hopefully, we cash out 2 hour trade tomorrow. Can you give me a 5 minute forex markup on gold if you have time? Yeah, sure, man. I'll give you that shit right now. Um, give you that shit right now. Gold. Jack shooting, yes, sir. Them shots so clean. Yeah, damn, those. Wow. Holy shit. What the fuck is going on with gold here? What the hell is going on with gold, man? Holy shit. Okay, gold is a mess here, man. All right. Man, gold is a mess here. Okay, so you want a 5 minute markup? I can't give you a 5 minute. Gold is too messy on a 5 minute. Gold is too messy on a 5 minute. Like way too messy. Way too messy. I think this candle closes bullish. Because we sweep all the lows, this could continue moving. Yeah, if the 50 minute candle closes like this, like big rejection like this, you're looking at buys here, right? You want, yeah, see, you don't want to take sales, you know. 'Cause even if it closed below here, it could wake up or continue, fill the wick maybe halfway. You could get that type of entry, but it's a bit risky. So I would advise that. I would advise to take buys above this 50 minute higher. So your forex price is gonna be different if you want. Yeah, your forex price is gonna be different, but buys above here. Right? I think I have let me just pull up trading view real quick. Okay, so on the forex side here, you're looking at buys above 51. So buys above 51.74, right? And sells, you could actually take sells on the close. If this closes bearish, actually, yeah. If this closes bearish, you could take sells here. This is a 15. This is not a 15. This is a 15. Okay, so you could take You could take sales below here, like once it closes below this range. So this is the fork side of things. So once it closes beneath here, yeah, once it closes beneath here, go ahead and take your, you could possibly take some sales here on the break of the week or something like that. Yeah. So once it closes here, then you could get the idea of this trade would be a wick fill. So make sure it wakes up, right? Again, that would be the new 15-minute candle. Once this candle closes, it's gonna be the new 15-minute candle. So make sure it wakes up and then it breaks the 5 minute, and then you're gonna be ending up getting a wick fill trade here. This is 181 points. So you're looking at what 90 pips halfway, right? So yeah, you could easily get a 50-point move here from this based on your stop loss. Yes, us? Good. Like on the video for that. Thank you very much. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Yeah, man. Yeah, today wasn't a bad one at all. Again, like I said, I just trying to focus on like trying to focus on evals here, man. Get my evals going. Wow, that's a crazy ass rejection here on why. Yep, yep. I hope you guys notice that as well. Like the risk management. I hope you guys notice the risk management here today. Like, you know, we entered two trades, right? Two trades. First one we lost, 26, yeah. So break even, right? Second trade, you know, even if we had lost that that first trade, we still were able to would have made it back, you know. And some, but notice the risk management because price have been moving. So remember this week, each time the market opens, price explode a bit, and it's a bit erratic. So at 1 hour, like I was okay. That's why I secured 1 hour yesterday because like the market is moving so intense. Like I get a winning trade, I'm gonna take it. Right? And I think that's the way. That's a good way to view the market. I think at the moment you could still get NQ sales here. 15-minute candle about to close. This is about to break the support here. The support candle. This is NQ is moving. NQ is moving here. But good day today, man. Good day today. Good day today. Good day today. Good day today. So yeah, guys. I'm going to call it here for the stream. Yo, sauce. Good luck, man. Hope goal treat you good, yeah? Later. See you guys tomorrow.